In this video, I will show you how to back up your photos and your files from your iPhone to iCloud so you can recover them later, or even to Google Drive. Here I have Google Drive and iCloud. There is not much space on Google Drive and iCloud, but I don't have a lot of pictures on the phone. You could actually save the pictures and videos from your iPhone to your computer, Windows computer or a Mac, and you can copy files from the Windows computer. I could show you that in a future video, but the easiest way to back up the files and pictures is to do it through the cloud. So if I want to do a reset of the phone before doing the reset, I want to make sure that the pictures are saved there. So I have just a few pictures. This is a new phone. I just want to show you how to do this. Here are a few pictures. These are a few pictures I have to it's only been one day to use the phone actually. And the settings for the backup for iCloud, you go into the settings and you have the section for iCloud. You're logged into your account or your Apple account, and here I have actually 110 mega used out of 5 giga, so it's already kind of used a lot. Where is it? Display. Okay, I changed it to dark mode now. Okay, so to open the settings up and scroll all the way down to iCloud, and here under iCloud I can see the storage used. I don't have a paid iCloud Plus subscription. I have just a basic iCloud 5 giga, so it's not much. And with you can see the backups and how much space everything is taking. It's pretty useful. You can see all the space used by different types of applications, and it's not much space here, and this might work only when you don't have a lot of pictures. Ideally, you should copy the files, you should move the files and the videos and pictures to the laptop, computer, desktop, Windows or Mac, so that you can add more. My phone is only 256 giga of memory. It's the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but I didn't get a lot of storage because I will move the files as they go. And I have the iCloud backup turned on, and the setting is to back up this phone, and I wouldn't back up over mobile data. I mean, this is going to use your mobile data, but it's up to you. And here you can see the last backup was done. It was never, but actually I have another backup from before. I just did a reset on the phone, and you see there is backup size 100 mega, and there is the photo library 340 mega, and I could now do backup this phone. And I want to make sure the photos are sync this iPhone with photos. Before I turned this off, iCloud photos have been turned off. Photos and videos are no longer uploading, and they will be deleted in 30 days. And I will re-enable this because I want to back up these photos to the iCloud, and I enable it, turning it on. And there are two pictures in the cloud, and now it's syncing. If you see, it's actually doing the backup, and I could sync it now. Resume sync. And this might take a while. Could share the albums, download and keep originals, and it's still doing it. Sync 21 items. And I can see more details, like this number here might increase, especially for photos and videos. Okay, let's see. Still doing it. Okay, I see photos. Okay, I turn it on again. I don't know what's happening there. And it's showing status syncing. And I wanted to upload pictures, but I'm not sure. Maybe this was a problem because I turned it off before. I'm not sure. And the status is syncing. Let's see how much space it's used by iCloud. 110, it's the same. Backups. So I have 340 megabytes of pictures from the photo library. Okay, let's see. I think it's the same, I don't know. I believe they actually tried to get you to pay for the iCloud subscription with all these combined it's a bit not great how it works, everything. So ideally you should have your files synchronized and you should see something, but I'm not sure now if this is working. And to be sure, so normally you should see it here in iCloud that the files are synchronized and you have all the files that are synced to iCloud. And I have a few pictures here. I don't know why it's not showing those pictures, but I guess it's not doing it. It shows deletion pending. It's because I reset the phone, but it shouldn't really affect this. iCloud photos have been turned off. Download and keep originals. Yeah, I don't know what's happening with this. It's no idea. Okay, so I have a deletion pending. iPhone photos will be deleted in 30 days. Photos and videos will no longer upload unless you cancel the deletion. So I have because before I canceled the phone, I canceled before the photos sync, and I tried enable it and it wasn't doing it. So I have to do manage iCloud storage now. And I have to find it somehow. I'm not sure how this is gonna work now. So let's see, backups. And then I have this device, photos and library. Okay. Delete from iCloud, okay. And the next backup size is gonna get 700. Okay, so now let's see. I enable it again because I have the pictures. I have them locally on the phone, and this is actually it's very easy to, I guess, lose the pictures. Not sure how this is gonna work. So there are 2 photos in the cloud, but there should be more. iCloud storage management. iCloud photos. Okay. Okay, so I have here on iCloud photos, I can undo delete. I guess this is gonna fix it. So back, this is very complicated. It shouldn't be so complicated, but I guess it's for safety. I don't know why it's like this. Okay, we have photos and I disable this. Don't know how many times I did this. Enable. It's because I disabled the iCloud photos sync and now it's confused. Yeah, I don't think anyone should use iCloud to back up their photos, because the way it looks like you might lose the photos. You don't even know. You don't even know it's happening. So a backup to a local laptop, Mac or computer, PC, Windows or Mac is much better, or even use Google Drive, because there you see the files are already there. I'm not sure now what it's going to do. It's going to sync, but don't know what it's syncing. It didn't give me that notification there when I was doing it, so let's see. There should be at least 5 or 6 files because I have a few pictures. I took a few pictures, and yeah, I will show you in another video how to backup to iTunes to I'll show you in another video how to backup to the computer and take the photos and videos out of the iPhone, so you don't have to use the clouds at all. And it's gonna take its time now. Okay, it's syncing. Only 2 photos. Backup now. Let's try. Backup size is 100 mega. It's because it's not much, there's not many settings here. So photo library 340. I think it's the same really. Okay, allow notifications from YouTube. And the status is still syncing. Okay, I will enable this option to keep downloading, keep originals. I want to have the original photos on the phone. This is really taking a long time. So while this is doing it, it's happening. I hope it's happening. Yeah, it's using more storage space now. So we have iCloud photos now. You have 18 photos and 1 video stored in iCloud. Okay, that's looking better. It's looking better now. Let's see. Photos still syncing. But this number will go up because it's getting from the device. It's getting the photos from the device now. So let's go. I hope it didn't download. I hope it didn't delete the full resolution pictures and videos and replace them with the lower resolution pictures and videos. Let's see. Google Drive. Okay, I created a folder on Google Drive called iPhone, and so I have here, I opened the Google Drive, I have this, I created a folder iPhone for the phone backups, and here I will choose to upload the file, photos and videos, full access, give it full access. I want it to be able to access all the pictures. I want it to be able to access all the pictures, and recently added recents, select all the files, I upload. It's very hard like this. So I will use the computer, I will set up the computer to get the files before I do a reset, and then we'll see how it goes.